So jumping straight into one of the first things that you need to do, which is to obviously sign up for a Clickbank account. Now this is fairly straightforward. What you need to do is obviously click on start here. Then what you need to do is click on skip this quick start guide. And then it's going to be a simple case of just entering in all of your details, what country you're from, your name, your email address, phone number, all of that information. And once you've done that and you've logged in, this is going to be a similar page to what you're going to see. And by the way, I'm going to be cutting through some unnecessary things that I'm sure that you're going to be able to figure out. And I want to keep this video fairly informative, showing you the most important steps. So once you do get to this stage, what you then need to do is figure out what is the best type of affiliate product to promote. And as you can see at the top over here, there's multiple different categories that you can choose from, whether health and fitness, e-business, spirituality, self-help, home and garden. There's so many different types of products and offers available on Clickbank. But in today's video, what I'm going to do is just click on top offers. So on this page, Clickbank is basically showing us all of the offers that a lot of affiliate marketers all around the world are having success with right now. So realistically, if you are a beginner that is looking to take this strategy very serious, you may not want to pick any of these top offers because it may be saturated. But on the other hand, there is a chance that if you do pick one of these top offers, you're going to be able to see some sort of success. So during this stage, it's really up to you in terms of which product you're going to test out, and the key word there is test, because when it comes to promoting any product on Clickbank, it's going to be you testing it. If it doesn't work, using the strategy that I'm going to lay out in this video, then you can always come back and find another product to start promoting. So just to keep this video very simple, the product that I'm going to use as an example is this one over here called Alpiline, which is a weight loss supplement. Now with the strategy that I'm going to go through, which is using YouTube ads, some of the time YouTube don't really like it when people promote weight loss products. So this is not necessarily the best one to use with this strategy, but I'm just going to use it anyway because it's going to be easier to show you the step-by-step method, and then you can replicate it with any product that you want to use. So now that I know that I want to promote this product, the first thing that I obviously need to do is find my affiliate link. So the way that I'm going to be able to do that is by clicking on promote, then simply entering in my nickname that I would have set up when I signed up to Clickbank. And I can also set up a tracking ID, which I don't normally do, but I'm just going to enter my nickname over here and click on create hop link. And just like that, this is the link that I'm going to give people for them to click to buy this product for me to be able to earn the commission that you can see on the screen over here. And this actually now brings me on to the next step, which is that you need to find someone that's currently running a YouTube ad promoting this exact same product and see exactly how they've done it, see what script they've used, and essentially replicate it in your own way for you to make the money that they're making, especially if they're getting a lot of views and they're spending a lot of money on that YouTube ad. And the way that this works is that you need to first and foremost copy the name of the product just like this. Then what you need to do is sign up to this software over here called Video Ad Vault, because the way that this works is that it's a YouTube ads spy tool, and over my years of spying on YouTube ads, this has probably been one of the most efficient ones that I've used. So if you want to sign up to it, I've got a 25% discount link in the description. And once you have signed into it, this is a similar page to what you're going to see. So you need to make sure that you're on this tab over here that says video ad search. Then what you need to do is just paste the search term in here just like this, and then simply click on search. Now, some of the key things that you need to know when it comes to this page that you can see right here, Video Ad Vault is going to show us exactly when the ad was published, and it's also going to show us when the ad was last seen, and most importantly, how many views it was able to get. So by using all of this information here, we're going to be able to find a winning video ad that's still running right now or has been running in the recent days, and then use AI bots to replicate the entire video. So the way that that works is that you then need to sort the views from highest to lowest. And as you can see, this ad over here was able to get almost 9 million views, and there's no way that they would have continued running this ad up until this point if they wasn't making money. And we can also see that it was last seen maybe a couple weeks ago. There's this ad over here that was able to get 3 million views, this one that was able to get 610 views. So there's all of these different ads that you can pick from. So to show you an example of exactly what one of these ads look like, I'm going to click on play. So this is the ad right here. No one's showing their face on camera, no one's using their own voice. They're actually using an AI generated voice. Let me play a little bit of it just so that you can hear how it sounds.
Or guts. Despite what has been previously believed, it is almost impossible to keep off fat from the body with just diet and exercise.
So that's basically what the ad sounds like. And when it comes to recreating this video, it's actually very simple, and I'm going to show you the key things that you need to be aware of. So now that I know that I want to replicate this ad, what I'm going to do is just pause it just like this. Then what I'm going to do is just copy the URL of the video and then come over to this website over here, which is going to be able to give me the entire transcript of what's being said in the ad word for word. So I'm just going to paste it in here just like that and then click on go. So as you can see on the right hand side over here, this is all the words that's being said in the video. So what I'm going to do is click on this option where it says copy entire transcript, and then I'm going to come over to ChatGPT and I'm going to enter a specific prompt, which is I am going to paste a script for a YouTube video ad for a product I am thinking about selling. Can you reword it so it is slightly different, but it still has the same message? And then click on enter. And it's going to come back and say, of course, it's going to be able to do that. So what I'm going to do is paste the entire script in here, just like that, and then click on enter. And within a few minutes, ChatGPT is now going to be able to come back with a very similar script that we know is performing well, because remember, this particular ad was able to get over 610,000 views. So it must be performing really well. So now that I know that I've got a script that's been reworded, it's not exactly the same, which is going to increase our chances of being able to get accepted when it comes to setting up our YouTube ad. What I'm going to do is just copy it just like this and then come over to this software over here called InVideo. Now, InVideo is what you're going to use when it comes to producing the YouTube ad, because it's got a library of content that you're going to be able to use when it comes to the stock images and the stock videos, and it also has AI voices that you're going to be able to use as well. So if you are following along with everything that I'm showing you and you wanted to get an InVideo account at a discounted price, you're going to be able to do that by clicking the link in my description. But once you have logged in, this is a similar page to what you're going to see, and the beauty of using InVideo is that you're going to be able to click on AI text to video. So if I just click on this option and then click on any one of these different templates, so I'm going to click on, let's say this one over here that says fitness promo, and then make sure that I select landscape. All I simply need to do from this point is just paste the script into this box on the left hand side over here. Then I'm going to unselect free and then select iStock footages and premium, and then click on create scenes. And just like that, within a few minutes, InVideo was able to come back with the first draft. Now, it's very important that you guys know that when it comes to using InVideo, the first time around, they're not going to be able to match the stock images and videos with the text that's on the screen, because as you can see, there's this random image right here. This one, they've put a Bitcoin logo that has nothing to do with the text that's on the screen. There's also this random image again. There's all of these different random overlays. So it's going to be your job to go through and delete them just like this. Then come over here to where it says videos. And because this is a weight loss YouTube video ad, I'm going to type in something like weight loss just like that. And as you can see, there's all of these different videos that we're going to be able to use. So for example, if I wanted to use this one, I'm going to be able to, let's say, drag it in there just like that, click on this option and then click on add. And that's basically an example of how InVideo works. And I'm going to have to do this for all of the different videos that's on the screen right now, all of the different scenes, sorry. I'm going to go through all of them and I'm going to amend them and make sure that everything makes sense. And I'm also going to add a voiceover by clicking this option over here, because if I click on automated text to speech, I'm going to have the option to choose from all of these AI voices. So if I want to, do British English, US English, whatever I want to do, female, male, I've got all of these different options. So I'm going to work on this right now. I'm going to get this completed and I'm going to show you part of the finished product once I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've finished the video. It took me some time to make sure that I got it perfect, but I just want to give you an idea of what it looks like. So I'm just going to click on play.
With this unique ice technique, individuals are effectively melting away pounds of stubborn belly fat daily. Both men and women are experiencing remarkable fat loss by incorporating
So that's basically the ad right there. As you can see, I've put all of the necessary videos on the background of all of the different scenes. I've made sure that the text is correct. I've added an AI voice. And now that I've done this, I'm going to be able to download it and export it using the highest quality. So don't forget that if you wanted to sign up to InVideo and you wanted to get a 25% discount so that you can use all of the premium videos and stock images that they have, use the link and the coupon code in my description. So now that I've got the video that I want to use when it comes to running a YouTube ad, the next step after this is that I need to actually upload it to a YouTube channel. Now you don't need it to be public for everyone to see. You can upload it using the unlisted option, so only people that have the link are going to be able to view it. And you don't need to do anything fancy with the YouTube channel. You don't need to have any subscribers. It could just be a plain YouTube channel that you've created right now. You can upload the video, and from there you're going to have the link to the video. And once you've got that link, you're then going to be in a position where you can run the YouTube ad. And the way that you're going to be able to do that is by going over to ads.google.com, registering for an account, and this is going to be a similar page to what you're going to see once you have created your account. So I'm going to quickly run through the key things that you need to know when it comes to setting up your first YouTube ad. So first things first, what you need to do is click on new campaign. Then you're going to be given all of these different options when it comes to your campaign objective. So what I'm going to do is click on sales, because that's the point of what we're trying to do. Then what I'm going to do is click on continue. Then Google's going to ask you what type of campaign are you looking to set up, and you're going to be given the option between search, performance max, display, shopping. But in this case, of course, we're looking to run a video ad. So I'm going to select this one. And then it's going to be a simple case of going through all of these different questions. So I'm going to quickly run through all of them, point out the most important things that you need to know. I've got a full YouTube ads video coming out real soon, but I'm going to run through the key things that I wish I knew when I first started running YouTube ads, so that it can definitely help you out on your journey. So first thing you're going to be asked is to enter a campaign name. So in this case, I'm going to leave this because this is just for your information. When it comes to location, I would say that you should run a ad to one location at a time. Don't try to put the United States, Canada, UK all in one campaign, because when it comes to optimizing the ad, it may get a little bit confusing. So I like to target one country at a time. So of course, in this case, I'm going to leave it as the United States. Language, of course, is going to be English. When it comes to bid strategy, I tend to use maximize conversions. Now for the budgets and date section, this is where a lot of people decide that YouTube ads isn't for them, and this is where a lot of people end up making a lot of money with YouTube ads, especially if they do have a budget to get started with. Because from my research and what I've done, the amount that is ideal to start off with is around $40, $30, even as high as $50 per day. This is a great starting point, and it's a great way for you to start getting conversions. And once you do start getting conversions, you can now reinvest that money back into your YouTube ads for you to increase the budget over time. So for example, in this case, I'm going to put the starting budget as £50. When it comes to networks, I'm not able to deselect it, so just leave it as it is. For audience, when it comes to me promoting a general product, I don't really select anything. I leave it up to YouTube and Google to decide who is the best person to see the ad. So in this example, I'm going to leave all of this information. Now in this section, this is where you paste the link to the YouTube video that you uploaded to the channel that you created. So I'm just going to paste it in here just so that you can see how it looks. All right, so this is what the ad is going to look like. It's going to show you an example of what the video is going to look like on someone's phone. But the most important things that you need to be aware of on this stage is the final URL. And the final URL is basically where you're sending all of the people that's viewing the YouTube ad. And it's recommended to send them to something that's called a bridge page or a squeeze page. And this is something that is in between the affiliate link. You don't want to send them directly to the affiliate link in this section, because some of the times YouTube may not accept the campaign. So you're going to need to build a squeeze page and put the link to it in this section. And to give you an example of the landing page, bridge page, whatever you want to call it, that I made using Aweber, and again, I've got a discount link for them in my description. This is what it looks like, and this is what the person's going to see once they do click on the link. And all of these different buttons here send the person directly to the affiliate link. And the beauty of using something like Video Ad Vault is that you're going to be able to click on this link over here that says add link, and it's going to take you to the squeeze page that that person is using. So as you can see, I basically replicated what they did and kind of put my own spin on it. I would say I did copy their image, but I used it as inspiration when it came to me building this particular landing page. So the main point that I'm trying to say right now is that all of these different softwares that I've shown you, whether Video Ad Vault, whether Aweber, whether InVideo, all of them tie in together to get you to the final point that you need to get to. So what I'm going to do is just paste the final URL into this section over there, just like that. Then what I'm going to do is select the call to action. So I'm going to click on learn more. And for the long headline, I'm going to put something like new method. Then I'm going to put a description that says our goal is to point you in the right direction. And I'm going to leave all of this for now and then simply click on create campaign. So as you can see, the campaign is ready and it's going to take maybe 24 hours for YouTube to approve it. Now, fingers crossed they do approve it, but some of the times they disapprove it depending on what type of product that you're promoting. And as I said at the start of this video, when it comes to using Clickbank or any affiliate marketplace, you want to stay away from products that could get disapproved. So this is something that you need to consider, but I'm sure from this video, you've definitely seen the step-by-step method that you can use when it comes to finding a product, using various different AI tools and softwares, and then ultimately running YouTube ads to a product for you to be able to sit back and start earning affiliate commissions. Now, if you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification down below so that you don't miss all the future videos. And if you want to see me make another video where I break down some other key things that you need to know, things I didn't really answer, maybe some questions that you still have, then put in the comments down below, do the Clickbank video and your question, and I'll definitely include it in my next video and make it ASAP. And if you also want to join a completely free email newsletter where every single week I'm going to send you an email when it comes to helping you start an online business, whether it's an email about doing things like dropshipping, even Amazon FBA, and of course making money with affiliate marketing, then make sure that you click the first link in the description down below to sign up for that completely free email newsletter. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made recently where I break down some important things that you must know if you want to be able to start earning passive income in your sleep, things I didn't really talk about today and you're definitely going to be able to benefit from, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.